Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. I'm going to share with you guys the CVS ad for April 12th. Sadly, this ad was a little bit harder for me to find some great deals, and that is because there was no cash card deal. I feel like the last week was such a great ad. This one is a great ad because there's many essentials here that you could actually see that they're going to be on special. But remember, just keep in mind that there is essentials, but just follow the guidelines in your area since they do vary in the area. So all I'm trying to do is provide them for you guys just to make it easier. And also talking about making it easier, I want to include that printable list. It's going to be provided below this video. It's going to take you to my website so you could just go ahead and print it. That way you get organized at home and you spend less time out in the store. That is if you're heading out to the store. I am not saying to go out to the store. All I'm doing is providing those best deals if you need to, but remember, follow the guidelines in your area. So this is CVS, some of the best deals. As you know, there is no inserts expected this Sunday. There's no inserts this Sunday at all. So you don't have to go even head out to purchase any inserts if you needed to. So that's a good thing too. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this Sunday with your family, with your loved ones, and let's just make the best of it. So I'm excited to share, guys, the first deal. This is All May Cosmetics. This is spend 10, get 4. This is a limit of 6, but the exciting part is that we're getting a mystery offer. Usually we get a mystery offer of $3, so but if it's a little bit higher than that, then this will be a freebie. But in the meantime, just $3 mystery offer will make this item 99 cents. And let me show you the regular price for this blush. The regular price for this blush is $11.99, so there's a lot of savings happening just on this deal alone. What you will need is a coupon from Smart Source that we received this Sunday, April 5th, and then go ahead and stack that with a mystery coupon printing on this Sunday. Pay $4.99, get back 4 in ECB, making it just 99 cents. So let's go ahead and move on to another deal. This one is actually happening this week, but it's going to continue starting April 12th to the 18th. This is Donnie Unstoppable. The price is $2.94, and the coupon you could send it to card. The good thing about this coupon that there is a coupon you could send it to the card. That means it's a digital, it's easy to do, but also there is an app only offer. Go ahead and send that to your card as well, and it will be $2.94. But once you apply that coupon, send to card and the app only, then all you have to do is pay just $1.44. Such a great deal. Hopefully most of these deals that I'm sharing, you're able to do them online. Sadly, I noticed that there's some CRTs that are mystery offers. They don't show in the card, so I'm not able to use those online, at least for me. I don't know if you guys have been lucky and been able to use them online, but I'm trying to do some hauls online too, but they're not as smooth, and I don't know, they're not working that great for me, but this one might be a great deal to do online. So let's go ahead and check another offer that I want to mention. This one is such a great deal, and maybe this one, yeah, this one you should be able to do it online. The Chic Hydro Silk. This is Quattro or Intuition. This only specified for women's razor. It's going to be on special for $8.99, and as you know, these razors could vary from $9.99 to up to $12, $13, $14. So that's a lot of savings on that alone. The good thing is that there is no coupons. Okay, there's no coupon, so you don't need a manufacturer coupon. But if you have the CRT that I'm showing you right below of the coupon section, all you have to do is pay $3.99, get back 4 ECB, and this will be a free deal. This is an easy deal, and this deal I believe you could go ahead and do it online. So yes, guys, another great deal to do online. If you don't have the CRT, then this will come out $4.99, and if you don't have the CRT, I will skip it because that's too much for that price without the CRT. Let's go ahead and move on to another freebie, a nice money maker. This is for Maybelline. Is buy one get one, 50% off. Buy 2 and you will get a 5 ECB at the end of your receipt. And this is a limit of 3. This is very rare that we get a limit for Maybelline, but this one is a limit of 3. So here's a deal idea. Go ahead and buy the concealer, which I did this haul actually this week. I purchased a concealer. I really like this concealer. And then I purchased a mascara. I try to get items that were priced very similar to each other, so that way the 50% off, it is a good price. So my total was $11.44. I used coupons that came on this Sunday's paper, but guys, there are some digital coupons as well. in the in your account from CVS. So if you want to do this deal online as well, just keep in mind that that $5 CRT might not show up in your account. But in the meantime, if you're able to use that 5 CRT, then this will be a nice money maker. This CRT is the one that printed this week, that it was a mystery, and that CRT is also showing for L'Oreal, Face or Cosmetics, and also Maybelline. So go ahead and use those coupons. As you see right here below, there is an app only Maybelline mascara. If you have it in your CVS app, go ahead and send it to cart if you're going to use it. Pay 44 cents, get back 5 ECB for buying 2, making it free, and a nice money maker of $4.57. If you don't have the CRT of $5, then your total will be 22 cents each. So now another nice money maker. We keep seeing this money maker happening for CoverGirl, and it's once again happening this week. This is buy 2 get 6, and it's a limit of 1. The good thing is that these coupons keep popping up. There's digital coupons. There was go ahead and check your app to see if you have them. I know there was printable coupons, and any of those printable coupons that I do have, I'm going to provide them below. That way you don't miss out on that. You could just go ahead and print them. We got some of these coupons this Sunday's insert as well. So this is a good deal to do with because the coupons are very well available to do this deal. So go ahead and buy 2 of the brow pencil. Use those coupons, deducting $3 for the eye products. This is optional if you have this CRT, deducting 3 off 12 cosmetics. Pay $3.58 but get back 6, making it $2.42 money maker. Yeah, such a great deal. Well, this one is a great deal as well. Garnier, I've never seen it. Buy 1 get 1 50% off, and in addition you will get a 5 ECB when you buy 2. Such a great offer just on that alone. So here's what you can do. Another great thing happening is that there is coupons that we got this Sunday, but there's also printables, and then there was also digital. Remember, sometimes when I do the video, sometimes the printables are no longer available. If they're not, I will not provide it below, but the ones that are still available, they will be below this video. So go ahead and buy a moisturizer and the micellar water. I try to look for products that are very similar in price, because remember, the second product is going to be 50% off. Your price is going to be $13.94 before coupons, but then you're going to hand in those coupons. That way you'll see the price come down. So you're going to use 1 deducting 3 for moisturizer, and another coupon deducting 2 for cleanser, which applies to the micellar water. If you have this CRT that says Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, go ahead and use it, deducting $3. So now that way you'll pay way less out of pocket. So now you'll pay $5.94, but you'll get back 5 ECB, making it just 94 cents for both, or 47 cents each. Such a great deal. I think this is a pretty cheap deal. If you don't have the micellar CRT deducting 3, then your total will be $1.97 each. I'm going to show you another deal idea. As you see, this one you're going to be buying 4 of the products that I just mentioned. That means 2 of each. And I know the coupon is a limit of 1. The manufacturer coupon that came in the Sunday paper is a limit of 1. So right there, your price is $27.87. But you're going to be using those coupons that I mentioned that came in the Sunday's paper. But these are digitals. These are right now shown in the CVS app. So go ahead and send to card. So you could go ahead and take advantage of those coupons as well. So that way, remember, they're a limit of 1. So we use these manufacturer coupons, and then we use the ones in the app. And then we're going to be using the CRT, the micellar CRT that I mentioned, and also the 10 off 25 Garnier Skincare if you have that CRT. So from $27.87, you will pay $6.87. Wow, so many savings right there. You're going to get back 5 ECB, and your final price will still be 47 cents each. What I like about this deal, that remember, once you reach $30 in beauty, don't forget to join that club, the beauty club. So that way you earn a $3 ECB for spending $30 on beauty products. So those are free, 3 ECB. And right here, we're so close to that. So that will be just 47 cents each. So now let's talk about L'Oreal hair care. Buy 1 get 1 50% off. Buy 2 get 4. It's a limit of 1. And you could get this item for free and a moneymaker. It's just crazy because I used to buy this also regular at Walmart, and just getting a free and moneymaker. This is why I love couponing, and I hope you share it with other people so they could get into couponing and save so much money. This deal is such a good deal to do. buy one at $4.99, but keep in mind the price will vary by store. The other one's going to be half off, so your total now is $7.49. Use the coupon that came on Sunday's paper, deducting $4 off too. Hopefully we get printables, but we will know that on Sunday, so hopefully we do get that. Since this coupon is a limit of one, pay $3.49, get back 4 ECB, making it free, and 51-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to show you a different deal idea so that we could take advantage of this CRT if you have it, that is deducting 4 off 18 any hair care. So what we're going to do is buy that L'Oreal deal that I just mentioned. And we're also going to include on this haul or in this transaction 2 Head and Shoulders, that is 2 for $12. So now your price total will be $19.49, which is almost $20. You're going to use the coupon that I mentioned for L'Oreal, but also the Head and Shoulder is letting you know that there's going to be a digital coupon is going to be in your app, and you go ahead and stack it with this CRT, deducting 4 of 18 since we already reached the $18 worth of hair care products. And then go ahead and stack that with this 50 cents Head and Shoulder app only coupon, and then you can go ahead and send it to card. I usually don't like to send mine to card until I'm close to the day that I'm going to do the haul, because then once you send it to the card, they expire a lot sooner. So go ahead and pay $7.98, but then you're going to get back 2 different type of ECBs. You're going to get back the 4 ECB for L'Oreal, then you're going to get back 3 ECB for the Head and Shoulder, making it a final price of 98 cents or 25 cents for each product. If you don't have the CRTs, the 4 of 18, then it will be $1.25 each. This is the deal that I was talking about, the Bounty. Hopefully we start seeing these more available in the store, which I did in one of the stores for Bounty, and that's why I'm only showing Bounty. But if you find Charmin, if you do find it, then you could just go ahead and switch it and put the Charmin since it's the same price. How could you get this all for $1.98 each? All you have to do is buy $20 worth to get 5 ECB. So buy one of the Tide Pods, buy the Bounty for $7.99. They're all shown here, and then also buy the Tampax, which is buy one get one 50% off, and it's letting us know that there's going to be coupons, digital coupons that you could send to the card. So this is a deal you could actually do in at home, because all these coupons are going to be provided as in digital form, so they should be available in your account if you do this purchase online. So your price will be $21.92. And you're going to use all those digital coupons that I mentioned. I don't have any CRTs shown on this deal. So you will pay $14.92, get back 5, and then your final price will be $1.98 each. And here is the coupon that is already in the app for Tide Pods, and here's the digital coupon for Tide Pods deducting $1. So I'm going to show you another deal idea for the Pampers, which is also part of this deal. This is spend 20 get 5, and this is a mix and match. There's different offers. You could just go ahead and mix and match, but remember, this is a limit of 1. So if you decide to do the Pampers, then you've already reached your limit for this week's ad. What you could do is see that the Pampers are 2 for $20, so go ahead and buy 2, and then you're going to use a digital coupon deducting $3. If you have the CRT, deducting 3 off 14, or maybe you have a different one, go ahead and use that CRT. That way you do pay way less out of pocket. You're gonna pay 14, but you're gonna get back 5 ECB, making it just $4.50 each. If you don't have that CRT, then your final price will be $6 for each Pampers. And this deal I'm excited about. Once I saw this online, Lucky Charms mixed with Frosted Flakes, that is so interesting. But the cereal, the General Mills, are going to be on special for $1.99. And I do have a rule. I don't like to spend more than $1.25 on cereal. I usually like to spend $1 or less. And this is a great deal, at least for me. So go ahead and buy 4, as that way you reach almost $8. Remember, this is going to be part of the 98% rule. So if they follow that in your store, go ahead and buy 4. Use the coupon that came on Smart Stores March 15, deducting 2 off 4. Well, I'm going to see if there's any printables down below. If there is, the printable might be $1 off 2. So go ahead and use 2 of those printables if they're available. And then this CRT that says 2 of 8 all breakfast items. So that way you pay $3.96, and your final price will be just 99 cents each, which I think is a pretty good deal for cereal. So this completes my whole best deals. Everything is going to be provided below, all those printable coupons, the shopping list, and any cashback offers that may be available. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you're staying safe, and until the next video, bye.